Hey guys, in this video I'll compare the top features of the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro with the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro, or vice versa, anyone. The reason why I choose to compare these two rugged phones is because they both feature a built-in projector, and of course both devices also feature a super bright camping light. Basically they are just very similar in lots of ways. As I mentioned earlier, I'll compare the specs of both devices in this video, and at the end of the video or after the comparison, I'll share my opinion about both devices. But before we dive into the comparison, I'd like to tell you guys the prices of both devices. The Unihertz Tank 4 Pro costs about $700, guys. That is the starting price. I think $700. So it's not cheap, it's very expensive. While the Armor 34 Pro is expected to be a lot cheaper, I think its starting price would be at around $500, and its global premiere would take place from the 16th of June. Okay. Also, let's just acknowledge these devices are not for everyone. They are for the adventurers, tradespeople, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a smartphone that can truly take a beating and offers some seriously unique features you won't find on a mainstream device. And they're also perfect for every rugged phone enthusiast out there. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro with that of the Armor 34 Pro. So there you have it, guys, the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro versus the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, I said that I'll share my personal opinion about both devices after the comparison. Well, here is it. But first, let me remind you guys about the price or the prices of both devices. The Unihertz Tank 4 Pro is currently sold for around $700, guys. There's a pre-sale going on. and it costs $700. Now, this is not in any way, a promotion or a recommendation, or, I'm not being paid by Unihertz to say this. I'm just telling you guys that the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro is a much more expensive device, guys. It costs $700, and there's a pre-sale going on right now. While the Armor 34 Pro is expected to be a lot cheaper than the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. The price is expected to be around $500, so it's a much more better and cheaper option than the Tank 4 Pro. Well, I say it's a much more cheaper option. Okay, I cannot determine which device is better or not because this is just a specs comparison video. But anyways, the Armor 34 Pro is the undisputed champion of battery life and projector brightness and usability in this comparison. Its extensive suite of unique tools, sensors, and the incredibly powerful integrated LED lights makes it a true powerhouse for specialized outdoor or professional use. Its main cameras, especially the main sensor, also look very promising. However, it comes at the cost of significant weight, a slightly lower display resolution, and a less powerful processor compared to the Tank 4 Pro. While the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro excels in core smartphone performance with its more powerful Dimensity H300 chipset, faster LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, and a significantly sharper QHD+ AMOLED display. It also offers a dedicated telephoto camera for optical zoom and much faster 120 watts charging, all in a potentially more manageable, though still very large, form factor. So the choice boils down to your priorities. If absolute battery life, projector convenience, and an unparalleled array of specialized rugged tools and lights are your top priorities, and you don't mind the significant weight and slightly lower performance, the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is your beast. While if you prioritize a more powerful core smartphone experience, a sharper display, faster charging, optical zoom, and a somewhat lighter but still rugged build, the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro might be the better fit. So there you have it, guys. And of course, the Tank 4 Pro also has a super bright camping light at its rear. So if you also need a device that is suited for outdoor use, especially for camping and other nice time activities, the Tank 4 Pro is also a really nice device that you need to consider. Both are incredible pieces of engineering in their niche, pushing the boundaries of what a rugged phone can be. It's definitely a fantastic time to be a rugged phone enthusiast, guys. Anyways, what do you guys think about both devices? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.